inspiration from a fellow YouTuber, The Angry Grandpa Show, where the host of the show, Angry Grandpa, demonstrated how to create his very own homemade bacon pizza.
Alright, so this is how it works. We didn't get very much, but I got some biscuits here, pizza sauce, bacon, cheese, cheddar, and mozzarella, salami pepperoni, original pepperoni, a bucket of mushrooms, and some pans.
Now, we're going to get started with this pizza. Skylar Destiny will be the star of this one, and I will just be the filmer. Sorry guys, no Ryjel Destiny today. Welcome to Kitchen Time with the Destinies.
It's good to see you here, guys. Stay tuned.
So now we're gonna take that and cook it up in the pan, and then we'll get started on the rest of the items.
All right, so what are you making today?
Today I'm making a version of pepperoni, bacon, mushroom pizza. Normally I have the bacon all spread out, but because this is kind of a lot, I'm just doing with what I can here. All right, so you can open up these biscuits. There's a little silver rectangle there.
And these happen to be Grands, which is actually the original, which is really good.
You can get whatever type you want. There really is no right or wrong.
Doesn't matter, but ours, personally, this is our favorite kind of biscuit. Okay, so he's unwrapping it. He's just gonna blow it up. Oh yeah. Nice. And we're gonna put it on the pan.
Right.
Oh yeah, look at that biscuit.
Right. And make sure you wash your hands before you touch these.
Of course.
All right, you're gonna take these biscuits. You're gonna set them in a pan.
Just like so.
All right, and so to get the dough to fit in your pan, I just take a spatula like this and just kind of flatten everything out. That way it fills in a lot of the gaps and crevices. That way the sauce doesn't just cook on the bottom and waste, and you get better results, and it's more like an actual pizza. Then we're gonna take the pizza sauce.
Here we go.
You probably don't need very much of this. Just make sure that each biscuit's well covered.
Somewhat coated, but you don't want to do too much.
Thanks, sir.
Got a little bit on the edge right there. Hey, it looks like you might finish up. Not quite enough.
He just threw his away, but I use a rubber scraper to get every last bit of it out.
Oh yeah, we're being smart and conservative here.
All your resources.
All right,
Give me one of those.
the biscuits are coated with sauce.
Then we're gonna take the mozzarella cheese. Vibrate your shoulders a little bit.
Get all that cheese out of there. I tell you, that was kind of cheesy. How does the bacon look?
Plenty of cheese, wasn't it?
Yeah. Okay, now we're putting on the original hormel pepperonis.
And then we'll make some salami with it if we run out.
Skylar's putting on the pepperonis.
They're perfect and easy to eat them, dude. They actually need to be bad.
This actually kind of reminds me of a stromboli dish. Okay, now we're putting on some, what are these called? Sliced white mushrooms.
White mushrooms. All right, we're gonna take a little bit of Monterey and Colby Jack cheese.
Oh, this is some of my favorites.
And, oh yeah, hold on. Before we do that, bring the bacon. Bacon!
Bacon! Ah, come on. All right, so unfortunately the bacon did get a tad overcooked, but that's no big deal. We're gonna now add sauce over the top of it.
Okay, and you're just gonna put a little bit extra sauce on top of that, not too much.
We're actually gonna preserve the last sauce and what is remaining out of this one, because yeah, you do not want to oversauce the top. Then it will be too rich.
You want it to be a pizza, not soupy. Very optimistic about
All right, okay, this is...
Oh, there's still a little bit left in there, but that's okay. We'll use that for next time.
All right, Skylar, how much further does this pizza need?
All right, we're pretty much done. We just got to put a little more cheese on top of that.
All right.
Okay, it's almost there. All
Okay,
right.
he's pulling out his cell phone. Just gonna take a picture of it. All right, this one as well.
Okay, now you take the oven. I've already had it preheating this whole time, but this is a gas oven,
degrees.
and we're at about 3,000 some feet, so we're gonna cook ours on 300. We're gonna do one pizza at a time.
All right.
And you just take it and you just put it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. And you put them in there, and the biscuits rise, and all that cheese just gets...
Okay, timer. What do we got?
Let's see.
We're gonna go for 20 minutes.
We're gonna start at 15, and if it's not good enough, we'll do about 20.
Okay, 15 minutes on the clock and counting. We'll get back to you guys. It's a little over past half the time.
So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna check it and I'm gonna rotate it so it cooks a little evenly.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah, it'll be ready to come out soon.
Oh, it smells so good too. Wish you guys could smell this. So he's just gonna rotate it. Sweet.
All right, and we'll take it out in about 5 minutes or so. We'll probably even extend it to another 5 minutes.
Oh, you hear that? The timer's going off. It is time to pull the pizza out of the oven.
Hey,
Oh, look at that.
they look great to me.
Behold, the homemade bacon pizza.
Oh my gosh.
Right, now he is going to place that in the oven.
Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes and counting.
All right.
Oh, that looks so amazing. Check that.
That one on the corner didn't get very much.
Didn't get a lot of stuff on it. Well, we can probably do that, but wow. So we are actually ready to try this
All
pizza.
right, and then you let it cool off for a few minutes before you eat it.
Of course. It's going. Cut it. All right.
First slice and cutting.
Get the first
Trying
piece
to
out.
get the very first piece out. As I was taking from the edge, but I guess just that doesn't have a lot on it. The plate, he's got his slice. Eat with your bare hands like a predator would with its prey. How is it? Good?
That is really good.
Oh, sweet.
Homemade pizza.
Looks good, I'll tell you that. Anyway, go ahead and get my slice.
It's fine.
Here we go.
It's fine, but let's give other sauces a try.
It's good. Well, that's it for this journal entry with the creation of the homemade bacon pepperoni pizza. The pizza was really good. The only thing we did a little bit incorrectly is we needed to add a little bit more cheese in it, and plus we actually needed to pre-bake the biscuits. Skylar will explain.
As we baked our pizza, going off of what Angry Grandpa did, when he said to bake it for about 15 to 20 minutes, one thing I've discovered is when it comes to baking or cooking things, when you're closer to sea level, such as 1,000 feet or below, your stuff cooks a little faster and better and doesn't take as long. But if you live more inland, like 3,000 feet and above, like where our elevation is 4,160 feet above sea level, so naturally it takes longer to cook and bake things. I recommend pre-baking the biscuits about halfway. But other than that, they were pretty good. I'm pretty proud of them. I'm thankful for the Angry Grandpa show and Kid Behind a Camera inspiration. They did a good job, and you should check out their channel if you ever get a chance. But yeah, I hope this video made you hungry, and if it did, try that pizza recipe. It's worth it.
Test it out till you come out with the best result. So if you guys actually end up trying this at home and film it, I'd really love to see a video response of it in the comments below. That'd be really cool to see. It actually really helps a lot to see that. We really hope you guys enjoyed, and this is the Ryjel Destiny and Skylar Destiny Moments signing off. Be sure to protect, unite, inspire, and expand to your friends as I have, and it is time to live your dream and become one.
And don't forget, unite as one, go the extra mile. All right, catch you guys later.
Peace.